वेलकम बैक टू सी एस एस नेक्सस। और आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं वर्ल्ड टाइम्स का मॉक 3। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, वेयर डिड होली प्रॉफिट सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम टेक रिफ्यूज वाइल हज़रत अबू बकर रज़ियल्लाहु तआला अन्हु while migrating to Medina? Option D, cave of Thar. Question number 2, give the name who compiled first work of hadith Saif Siddiqa, Hazrat Abdullah bin Amr रज़ियल्लाहु तआला अन्हु. The name of sixth kalma is Kalima Raddi Kafir. Question number 4, the nisab of zakat on silver is option D. The Prophet made Hazrat Muaz bin Jabal the governor of Yemen. How many surah does the Holy Quran contain? 114. Name of the battle which Hazrat Abu Bakr Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu fought against Musallima is Yamama. When was fasting in the month of Ramadan made obligatory on Muslim? 2 Hijri. Who are the Sahibain? Abu Yusuf and Imam Sibani. Hajj is not completed unless you go to Arafat. Kitabul Ummah was written by Imam Shafi. The foundation of Baitul Hikmah was laid during Abbasid period. Rajab is which month of Islamic calendar? 7th. Which people was Hazrat Saleh al-Salam sent to? Samud. Sahifa Hamam B. Munabbih was founded by Dr. Hamidullah. Question number 16 is which surah of the Quran is Zulkarnain mentioned? Surah Kahf. Sahib Ushar refers to Hazrat Huzaifa Raziyallahu Ta'ala anha. Ghasilul Malaika is title of Hazrat Hanzala Raziyallahu Ta'ala anha. When was the Ghazwatul Uhud fought? Ghazwa Uhud was fought in 3 Hijri. Khatibul Anbiya is also a title of Hazrat Suhaib. मदरजा झैल इबारत का मुताला कीजिए और आखिर में दिए गए अंग्रेज़ी सवालों के दुरुस्त जवाब की निशानदेही करें। ये इबारत आप पढ़ लीजिएगा, मैं आपसे जो है ना डिस्कस कर लेता हूँ इनके आंसर। अगर आपको ये पीडीएफ आपके पास है तो वेल एंड गुड, वरना आप मेरा ग्रुप ज्वाइन कर लें और मैं वहाँ पे आपके साथ शेयर कर दूँगा। विच इज़ द बुक ऑफ मौलाना मोहम्मद हुसैन आज़ाद? ऑप्शन ए आब हयात। क्वेश्चन नंबर 22, हु रोड पंजाब में उर्दू? ऑप्शन ए 23, इन विच ईयर पीपल में पंजाब में उर्दू वॉज पब्लिश? ऑप्शन सी, अकॉर्डिंग टू मौलाना मोहम्मद हुसैन आज़ाद द रियल सोर्स ऑफ उर्दू इज़? ऑप्शन सी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 25, हुज ओपिनियन वाज डिसलाइक बाय द लिंग्विस्टिक? ऑप्शन डी। शहीद की जमा शहदा। छुरी क़वायद की रूह से क्या है? इसमें आला। सबब की जमा क्या है? असबाब। इसम के मानी लिहाज से कितनी किस्में हैं? 2 किस्में हैं। खाइन का मुतज़ाद अमीन। बिल्ली के झागो बिल्ली के भागो छिंका टूटा क्या है? ज़रबुल मिसल। वो कौन सा इसम ना तमाम है कि जब तक इसके साथ कोई और जुमला ना लगाया जाए वो अपने मानी नहीं देता? इसमें मौसूल। ज़ैल में मस्तर मजहूल का जुमला कौन सा है? ऑप्शन डी। उसे थप्पड़ मारो या बाहर निकाल दो? ऑप्शन सी, वसली वसली जुमला। पानी वानी, चाय वाय, गलत ख़राब, मीठा शीरीं, ऐसे अल्फाज को क्या कहते हैं? ऑप्शन डी। मस्तर मारूफ का जुमला है तीनों, ये तीनों ही है। तलाश करना, गाली बकना और दान करना, ये कौन सा मसादर हैं? मरकब। लाइटनिंग की अंग्रेज़ी है चमकने वाली बिजली। फ्रेटिसाइड किसे कहते हैं? भाई के कत्ल। पैम्पर्ड किसे कहते हैं? लाडला। इन द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन आइडेंटिफाई द एंटोनिम फॉर गिवन वर्ड्स। इंटरडिक्ट, सैंक्शन। वर्डेंट, एरिड। एंग्विश, डिलाइट। mendacious, truthful। Flactious, inopportune. In the following question, identify the synonym for given words. Calm, scruple. Zenziya, reserved. Sumptuous, luxurious. Antediluvian. Option A, antiquated. Sacrosanct, sacred. Choose the correct analogy. Introduction is to the conclusion, as greeting is to farewell. Reticent is to talk, as abstemious is to devour. Question number 53. Bristle is to bush, as key is to piano. Stage is to theatre, as bedroom is to house. Islam is to religion, as democracy is to government. Fill in the blank with appropriate preposition. Every one of us will have to atone dash his misdeeds for. Atone for. The examinee could guess at the answer correctly. We should always try to live through the difficulties that we come across. He was reared up in the foothills of Naga Parbat. A private secretary cannot have authority over his boss. रीड द पैराग्राफ एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चन। ये आपने पैराग्राफ पढ़ लेना है, मैं इसके आंसर्स मार्क करा देता हूँ। वेयर वॉज मैरी क्यूरी बॉर्न? पोलैंड। What unique achievement did Marie Curie accomplish with the Nobel Prize? She was the only person to win Nobel Prize in two different scientific fields. Which elements did Marie Curie discover? Polonium and radium. What ultimately caused Marie Curie's death? Cancer from prolonged exposure to radiation. How is Marie Curie remembered today? As one of the greatest scientists in history. Select the correct idiom from the option provided to match the following description. Break a leg, to wish someone good luck. Cut corners mean to take shortcuts. The ball is in your court mean it's your turn to make a decision. Every cloud has a silver lining mean there's always something good in bad situation. Next question. Barking up the wrong tree means to pursue a wrong course of action. And no sooner the train arrived at the station, the passengers started to board. A. No sooner. No sooner में error है. Question number 72. Had I known you were coming, I would have prepared something special. D. None of these. Between you and I, this plan is unlikely to succeed. You and I में error है. He is one of those players who has won many accolades. Option C. Who has. Question number 75. Hardly had we reached the venue that it started इसमें that it started raining में issue है. Which sentence is correct? The book that I borrowed was very interesting. Option C is correct. Where does a period go in a sentence? After the last word. Full stop को कहते हैं period. In which of these sentences is a comma used incorrectly? Option D is wrong. Correct option. इसमें गलत यूज़ हुआ पड़ा है. Which punctuation mark should be used to separate items in a complex list? B. Semicolon. Which sentence uses quotation marks correctly? She said, I will be there at 5. What is the purpose of parenthesis in a sentence? To add additional information. Which punctuation mark is used to separate two independent clauses when not using a conjunction? Semicolon. Where should the comma go in the sentence? If you want to go, you need to hurry. After hurry. After hurry नहीं आएगा comma. If you want to go, you need to hurry. तो comma कहाँ आना चाहिए? तो आप देख लें इसमें if के बाद आना चाहिए मेरे ख्याल में. A आना चाहिए, if के बाद ही आना चाहिए. Which sentence uses an ellipsis correctly? He said he would arrive by noon, but he never showed up. Question number 85. Which of the following sentences is correctly punctuated? John asked, can you help me with this project? Is right option. 86. Identify the correct indirect speech. He said that he was going to market. ये आ जाएगा सही. He said I am going to market. प्रेजेंट कॉन्टीन्यूस है तो पास्ट कॉन्टीन्यूस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. सारे जो प्रेजेंट के हैं वो हमेशा corresponding past में convert हो जाते हैं in narration and indirect एक ही बात है. Which of the following is an example of direct speech? He said, I will come. Choose the correct indirect speech. She asked, do you like ice cream? She asked if I liked ice cream. Option D is right option. Convert the following sentence into direct speech. The teacher told the student to open their books. The teacher said, open your books. Which of the following sentences is in indirect speech? She said that she was tired. Convert the following sentence into active voice. The car was repaired by the mechanic. The mechanic repaired the car. Choose the correct passive form of the sentence. She is writing a letter. A letter is written by her. Choose the correct passive form of sentence. The government is building new roads. New roads are being built by government. Convert the following sentence into passive voice. The children played the game. The game was played by the children. Choose the correct passive form of sentence. The cat chased the mouse. The mouse was chased by cat. मैथ का पोर्शन स्किप करेंगे हम और जीके के पोर्शन पे और करंट अफेयर के पोर्शन पे चले जाएंगे हम. यहाँ से शुरू हो रहा है जीके का पोर्शन, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. व्हाट इज़ द लॉन्गेस्ट बोन इन ह्यूमन बॉडी? फीमर. विच वन पार्ट ऑफ द डोनर्स आई इज यूटिलाइज इन आई डोनेशन? तो कॉर्निया ट्रांसप्लांट होता है, पूरी आँख ट्रांसप्लांट नहीं होती. एक्सेसिवनेस ऑफ विच विटामिन रिजल्ट इन क्लॉटिंग ऑफ ब्लड? विटामिन के. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कलर हैज़ द शॉर्टेस्ट वेवलेंथ? ब्लू. LPG consists of butane and propane. Short-sightedness can be characterized by concave. The process in which a heavy nucleus is split into two lighter one is called nuclear fission. और फ्यूजन से निकला है फ्यूज़ करना, मिलाना, तो न्यूक्लियर फ्यूजन में जोड़ते हैं. LNG is mainly methane. Which light is more important for photosynthesis? Red light. Which of the following gas is used in a refrigerator for cooling? Ammonia. The waves which are used by the TV remote control are infrared waves. 162. Generators are devices that convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. The Bigger Dipper is part of which constellation? Option B, Ursa Minor. The device that converts alternating current to direct current is called rectifier. The coldest region of the Earth's atmosphere is mesopause. The study of hydrocarbon and their derivative is called organic chemistry. In street lighting, that dash is used to produce yellow light. Lithium. Deficiency of iodine result in thyroid. The renal vein transport blood from the kidney. The headquarters of All India Muslim League was established at Lucknow. Cricket diplomacy was introduced by Ziaul Haq. Third round table conference was held in 1932. CPEC project was launched in 2015. Military courts were established under 21st Amendment. What was the code name given to the operation launched in East India in 1971? Operation Searchlight. The book Pakistan, A New History was authored by option B, Talbot. Concurrent list was deleted from 1973 Constitution of Pakistan under which amendment? 18th Amendment. Founder of Sayyid dynasty was Khizr Khan. Who was the founder of Nadwatul Islam? Option B, Maulana Shibli Nomani. Which country hosted the 2024 United Nations Climate Change Conference? UAE. Which country became the latest member of NATO in 2024? Sweden. As of October 2024, how many members are there in BRICS plus 10? Arshad Nadeem came back to Pakistan after winning a gold on 11th August 2020. Which country launched the world's first fully operational 6G satellite in 2024? China. Bucharest is the capital of Romania. Denmark is situated in northern Europe. The Communist Manifesto was first published in German. Hockey was introduced in the Asian Games in 1958 in Tokyo. Fire Temple is the place of worship of which of the following religions? Option C. Who was the founder of North Korea? Kim Il Sung. Which bird with a distinctive call lays its egg in the nest of other birds? Cuckoo. How many squares does a chessboard have? 64. How many white stars are on the national flag of USA? 50. What is the standard monetary unit of Turkey? Lira. Headquarter of Gandhara civilization is in Texla. Hitler's party, which came into power in 1933 in Germany, was known as Nazi Party. When did the Israel-Hamas war of 2023-24 break out? 7th October 2023. The first Prime Minister of Bangladesh was Tajuddin Ahmed. Who is the President of Ukraine as of October 2024? Zelensky. When was the 26th Amendment to the Constitution of Pakistan 1973 enacted? 21st October 2024.